This is a quick video on how you can access OneDrive on your Fulton County Schools computer and also access it from home. So when you are on your Fulton County Schools computer, you go into the File Explorer, which is what I am in currently. If I close this and bring it down, I am in my File Explorer. And you find where OneDrive Fulton County Schools is. If it doesn't say Fulton County Schools after OneDrive, you have not logged in yet, and you just need to click on that and log in. And once you click on OneDrive Fulton County Schools, it will show everything that is in your OneDrive account at the time. You can also see the status of if things have been uploaded or not. So I have things in here, the teaching things folder that I am currently working on that have not been fully uploaded yet, which is fine. If I look in my actual cloud down here, it will show you what needs to be updated or what you've been working on, what's been changed, and it'll actually tell you that OneDrive is up to date with everything. So even though it has these wheels on it, my OneDrive is actually up to date. And when you are on your Fulton County computer, you just open files just like normal. So you go to the file that you need and then you click on what you need to open. You open it and you edit it, and it will automatically be saving as you're typing. I know that I still go back and click save just to make myself feel better, but do know that it is still saving as you type, regardless of if you hit save or not. Now, if you are at home and you would like to access your OneDrive and you don't have your computer, that is no problem whatsoever. You would simply sign into your Launchpad account, which we all know is launchpad.fultonschools.org, and you will see your dashboard here. And if I look right here, I see OneDrive. And the great thing about Launchpad is that any of the apps that have the little key up here mean that once you click on them, they will automatically log you in. Oh, look at that, I've logged out. So let me log in really quickly. So you have to be logged in first. But once you are logged in, you click OneDrive, it will open another tab and make magic happen, as you see here. And then it will open my OneDrive, and if you look here, it looks very similar to what I see on my computer when I open OneDrive. So I have that, and then I have the one online, and you access things the exact same way. So say I open this Word document, my file opens up, and I am able to edit it, and as I edit it, it will save. So if I type test here, you see that it says saving up here. And so once it's done uploading, it'll say saved, and you will be good to go. And you have mostly all the same functionality as a regular Word, and so you will be able to edit your document, and see now it says saved. So that is how you access OneDrive from your Fulton County Schools computer, as well as your accessing it from home. Thanks.